Hey y'all, I've been this excited since my honeymoon. This is the 6th series. This is a big dog test. You complete this test, you earn that crystal plate ribbon and all the accomplishments that come along with it. Congratulations, here's the 6th series. This is the big boy. This is the final one, and don't stop believing. That's the name of this test. This is a big test with a triple, a double blind, and a diversion shot. Yeah, it's a big dog test. It's a land-water combo. So here's the setup. All right, bird number 1, that's your middle bird. 64 yards out. It's across the water, thrown onto a point. Bird number 2 is your flyer to the left of bird number 1. So you're going to be swinging just slightly left. There's going to be a flyer thrown up to the top of that hill. All right, that's bird number 2. Bird number 3, wipeout bird. Big bird coming right over the top of you. 30 yards out, landing smack dab in this tall cover that's over here on the left side. So it's almost in line with the gun station of bird number 1. Yeah, that looks like a lot of fun. So you're going to get that bird, obviously, is your go bird. And then what do? You probably will get the flyer, or you're going to go get the island bird. But again, you're running into a lot of tight marks right here. As you come back from the diversion shot, will be on the way back from the flyer. Okay, you're going to get a diversion shot off this wipeout bird over here on the left. Once you complete all of the 3 marks, and hopefully dogs won't be influenced by the diversion shot, but they probably will. Now you've got 2 blinds to run. Got a land blind and a water blind. And I believe the judges have not designated which one to get first. I think it's up to you all, but that could change. So here's the setup on the land blind. It's going to be behind the flyer, and pretty far distance behind the flyer. So it's just down through this valley, then up atop the hill you can see an orange ribbon sitting out there. All right, so that's your land blind. Blind number 2 is your water blind. So this one, you can see an orange ribbon in the blackberries in the distance. So you got a little bit of land, you got to get up on this little bit of an island point, got to get back in the water, and then just carry out into the water until you get your water blind up and out of the water. That's back up there along the side hill. Once you've done all that, you're going to come back. Everybody's going to cheer. Hopefully you got it, and I wish you the best of luck. This is another series where you might want to keep a handle in your back pocket. Hopefully you don't need it. Good luck, everyone. I look forward to seeing you all do this test. I'm excited for you.